Hi everyone, I hope you're all. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support, okay? Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for sharing the content as well. And thank you for your subscription, okay? Thank you for the really nice comments I'm getting lately as well. So, you know, XRP actually had a bit of a negative close yesterday. You closed lower than this, okay? So that's quite negative, but you didn't wick down below here. So we're still hanging on by the, you know, the skin of a teeth here onto this trend line. Look at this. We're holding this support at the moment. You know, if we do start to roll out of here, I've given you key levels of support that I want to see held for XRP, and potentially, you know, some kind of break is coming, isn't it? You know, but just here we did put, if you look at this particular low just there when we rolled over, this is a bit more of an elongated version of what we're going through right now. We actually had a wick lower, but then we came up into a level of resistance just there, that W bottom. Let me show you, okay? Just there like that, okay? And what we did, we came down and we closed just there, but we came down, we actually closed lower than this, which would have been really negative. But at that point we were forced into a corner where we started to get the bounce, came back up, broke out this WW bottom pattern, and as we broke out we came back to it as support, okay? So essentially we could be on the cusp of something very, very similar here for XRP, okay? Everyone's anticipating Bitcoin correcting down to lower lows. Basically it could do, and if it does, XRP should theoretically roll out of this support right now, and that's why I'm saying, you know, you've got some support levels down there, 96 cents, and I think yesterday I went through it, the golden ratio, you know, another retest of that would not be, you know, off the cards as well, around about 91 cents I think it is. But something's going to happen here, something's going to give, basically. You know, we have put in this lower low technically with a close, but as I've just shown you just there, it forced some kind of decision, didn't it? You know, so if XRP starts to pick up here and melts through 109, I would imagine it'd come back up and come back to its support as you did there. You know, and this could offer a fantastic little long opportunity right now to come back up and retest that level of resistance up there around about 15%. Okay, because if we take a look at the daily RSI as well, you can see that just here you are putting in a bullish divergence just there. Do you see that? So look, you've got in the price action just there, you've got a low and a higher low, and then the RSI in the RSI down there, sorry, I do apologize, but in the price action just there you've got a low and a lower low, okay? And you use the candle bodies basically, look, so you've got a low and a lower low, you see that? So you've got a slight bullish divergence just there, and you are getting a little bit of a pickup and a bounce. On the daily has more substance, obviously, so you're getting that lovely little pickup just there. You know, we did have one just here as well. If you take a look, this one was a bullish divergence as well, because on the candle closes just there we came down, and what happened, we got a bounce, and in the RSI just there we put in a low and a lower low. Do you see that? So that at that point just there, that's where we got that bounce and that hidden bullish divergence playing out just there, okay? So XRP is right now putting in another bullish divergence, which is what you want to see. Basically you are kind of in the floor down here, you're at a beautiful level for continuation. You might have load out here, that's what I'm trying to say to you, and you are holding the key level support. And like I've just shown you as well, you know, there are no guarantees though. Just here, you know, in this particular correction we did come down and we closed lower than this, and that's what forced the bounce and the break. And I think at that point, did we put in a divergence as well? Effectively we did. Just there you can see in the price action we got lower lows using the candle bodies, and then in the RSI we got higher lows. Okay, do you see that? So again, that was called a bullish divergence. At that point you were forced into a corner and you bounced, and it's a very similar divergence as to what we're getting now with the lower candle closes. So it's on a knife edge, you know. This could be it, this could be the low for XRP, and we could absolutely start to bounce there, you know, and the bottom's in basically, and right here we start to pick up, and I would imagine you're going to come up, retest this trend line at least, okay, and this creating this beautiful W bottom pattern like this. Okay, do something like that, and once you break that, I would imagine you're going to come up and retest that, and you can see, look, you're calling up in the apex as we've been anticipating here, okay, for XRP. So it's doing everything it needs to for continuation of the bull. Worst case scenario, like I said to you, if you do start to see a deeper roll in the market and Bitcoin actually goes down to that 52, 53k that everybody is sort of sitting there waiting for, with all the money loaded up in bids, you know, it doesn't always happen because everyone wants it to. You've got your support at 91 cents, which is the golden ratio which I gave you yesterday. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow come back and this is picked up and we're attacking this level of resistance 109. Start to get through that. You're looking at a retest of that trend line right there for XRP, and this is your low, and we've got the bullish divergence down here as well. So that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you for support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you. Bye bye.